Hello! Welcome back to my sanctuary. You will notice na wala yung mga clothes ko dito sa aking walkout closet. That is because today is my walkout closet's treatment day. That is correct. Gagamitin natin ang TFM, the Thermal Fogging Machine. I'm using this thermal fogging agent called Liempo. Generic lang to. Hindi to yung branded kasi out of stock yung supplier ko ng fogging agents. Kaya ito lang nabili ko. Pero it doesn't mean na it cannot get the job done. May mga nagtatanong kung saan ko nabili ang aking bespoke thermal fogging machine. It's one of a kind talaga. It's made with marine grade steel para ma-withstand niyang high amount of pressure and heat. Last time I checked, they stopped manufacturing this after World War II, if I'm not mistaken. Yan. So as you can see, the fog is doing what it's supposed to do. It's actually penetrating even on small pockets ng aking closets, making sure na in-eradicate niya yung mga mold buildups and mga impurities na invisible to our naked eye. A lot of you are asking kung hindi ba nananakaw yung mga branded clothes ko dito sa aking walkout closet. Well, the answer is no, because I have a very sophisticated security feature called the Aspinians. So this is Limon, named after the last bodyguard na kasama ni Pablo Escobar bago siya napatay. And this is Heart Evangeline. Yep, you guessed it right. Named after the Aspin lover and the larger-than-life fashion heiress, Heart Evangelista. Okay, and finally, of course, maghihintay ka lang ng 1 to 2 hours after nitong treatment, and then pwede mo nang ibalik lahat ng yung clothes sa yung walkout closet. So, there you have it. That's how you take care of your walkout closet. See you until next time.
Wala, pumapasok kayo. Gusto ko sa loob. Yari ako kay mama mo.